Do it a little bit. Well, I just realized I took off my cover, my plastic cover here. I took it off for the first time. Just gonna check my oil. And I noticed Dodge, when they put my new engine, they did not put the bolt in here as you see in the other ones. It's missing a bolt. I'm very disappointed. I called Dodge, waiting for a call back. Left a message for Jason. But there's some play in that. But I woke up this morning and I heard a humming noise. And when I drive, I hear it as I'm taking off. Do it again, babe. There's a humming noise.